Greetings, viewers. Welcome back to Your Reviews. Today, we're delving into the world of convenience and efficiency with the top 5 best portable washing machines you can get in this year. Whether you're a frequent traveler, a small apartment dweller, or just seeking a space-saving laundry solution, we've got you covered. But before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews, and hit that like button if you're as excited about game-changing appliances as we are. Let's make laundry day a breeze together. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Ultrasonic Folding Portable Washing Machine, a game-changer in the laundry game. With an impressive 6 litre to 11 litres big capacity and a spin dryer bucket, this machine is your go-to for on-the-go cleaning. It boasts a wash and drain-in-one feature with an exclusive drain basket, ensuring gentle clothing treatment. The intelligent 3-gear timing adapts to your different laundry needs, while the positive and negative pulsator mimics hand washing, delivering a 360 degrees deep soft wash that's cleaner than traditional hand washing. Plus, its folding design ensures it won't take up unnecessary space, and the blue light auto disinfect feature adds an extra layer of cleanliness. Sliding into number 4 is the Mini Wave Machine, a compact powerhouse perfect for small spaces and on-the-move laundry sessions. With a 4-litre capacity and 12 volts output voltage, this mini wonder operates with forward and reverse wave wheel types. It offers multiple modes for washing, rinsing, and draining, making it a versatile companion for your laundry needs. Standing at a height of 70 centimeters and below, it's ideal for student dorms, travel, and underwear care. Available in stylish white or pink, this mini machine is not only functional, but also a fashionable addition to your laundry routine. Taking the bronze medal at number 3 is the Portable Washing Machine, with a focus on convenience and hygiene. This mini folding washing machine combines UV ultraviolet sterilization, intelligent hand washing, and pasteurization technology to ensure your clothes are not only clean but also safe. Operating at a frequency of 50 Hz, this compact powerhouse is a must-have for camping enthusiasts and anyone looking for a hassle-free laundry experience. Securing the silver spot is the mini-small ultrasonic folding washing machine, a technological marvel designed for the modern lifestyle. Offering a smart touch 3-gear timing system, this mini dynamo stops automatically at the perfect point, ensuring your clothes are impeccably clean. Its foldable design makes it easy to carry and store, perfect for business trips and self-prepared journeys. With a 1 kilogram gold washing capacity, high-temperature immersion cleaning, and high-frequency sonic washing, this machine takes laundry to a whole new level. The 42 watts high-power pure copper motor ensures no stains are left behind, and cross-infection of underwear and socks becomes a thing of the past. And now, drumroll please, claiming the top spot is the 110 volts/220 volts full automatic washing machine with dewatering. This full-size powerhouse takes portable washing to new heights, offering a complete and efficient laundry solution. With its full automatic capabilities and dewatering feature, this machine is a small household appliance export that packs a punch. Ideal for those who crave convenience without compromising on functionality, it's the ultimate game-changer in portable laundry appliances.